As a Tesla financial backer, have you at any point considered what the genuine worth of Tesla offers is throughout the long term? A few examinations have given their evaluations on how much the organization's offer may truly be worth, yet these expectations are dependent upon various factors, particularly the unpredictability of the securities exchange. Anyway, in the event that you're hoping to know exactly the amount Tesla stock is truly worth, here's a cost gauge you would rather not miss. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. As per a new report by the Monetary Administration Organization, Walter Ferguson Tesla is quite possibly one of the quickest developing huge makers in mankind's set of experiences. The firm has confidence in a base case situation that addresses its best gauge of the monetary outcomes that Tesla is probably going to accomplish. The trading company likewise expressed that while it gauges Tesla stock will stay in salvageable shape, there is space for Tesla to miss both higher and lower than anticipated figures, and it doesn't trust the securities exchange to out of nowhere concur with these forecasts. What are these cost forecasts for Tesla? We should figure it out yet before we do. In the event that you like this sort of happy, remember to hit that like button, buy in, and turn on notices to push modern on everything along with the Tesla strap. Ferguson's expectation addresses a base case valuation running from 305 to 383 and adds that this is what it accepts. Tesla stock is worth today, counting auto asset energy capacity. It was anyway noticed that this situation leaves out the potential gain flexibility from the new item it has online, which would definitely modify the offer cost of Tesla as per the reports. Tesla's full self-driving programming has been created with the determination to empower genuine independence, which would radically adjust the monetary worth of Tesla's vehicles. It additionally noticed that Tesla's humanoid robot named Optimus, which right now in its beginning phases of improvement, could likewise radically expand the utility proposed to its clients. Robocabs could save time for suburbanites, while the bots are all-out addressable. The market is the sum of the overall work market. Walter Ferguson's report additionally referred to the fact that in a situation in which Tesla really tackles independence, it accepts that the automaker could cost the product around $50,000 while successfully accomplishing a 100 take rate on FSD. It further referred to that while it would build the complete typical offering cost of the vehicle to levels that might seem impossible from the get-go, these vehicles would have a radically higher usage than individual vehicle proprietorship, actually bringing down the expense per mile driven. Thusly, by rolling out these improvements to the base case recently framed for the year 2030, this outcomes in a current valuation of $1184 for each offer for Tesla stock. As per the firm, this $1184 offer worth rejects the capability of Tesla to procure repeating income as a feature of its organization. It added that to the side Optimus and the robo charges, which are the main potential worth drivers, there are different variables that could offer steady benefit that isn't caught in any of this value situation, and Tesla needs to utilize a significant number of these items, including home central air frameworks, new vehicle types, and enormous scope virtual power plants. It referred to that while Tesla has generally been seen as an auto producer, the organization has a long history in the energy area, and this piece of the business is for the most part disregarded by most experts and financial backers on the grounds that the incomes and edges have been little when contrasted with Tesla's vehicle business. The report expressed that since its establishing in 2006, SolarCity has given sunlight-based charger establishment administrations to mortgage holders, and today Tesla Energy is answerable for the turn of events and creation of Tesla's battery energy capacity frameworks, including the Powerwall and Uber Pack. It consequently appraises that capacity incomes are multiple times bigger than those of the sun-oriented business, and similarly the edges are reasonable, a lot higher on stockpiling than on sunlight-based tending to Tesla's car business. The report referred to Tesla's expressed objective of 50 yearly volume development, prompting 20 million units sold by 2030. The firm accepts that Tesla will sell 4 million vehicles in 2025 and 12 million by 2030. It likewise accepts that Tesla's assembly edges will decline humbly from the 2022 levels. This decline is a result of the new cost reductions and the subsequent cost diminishment. After some time, the report referred to the fact that Tesla is fundamentally widening its complete addressable market with new models, adding that further scaling of the Model Y and other new models, for example, the digital truck, will give the organization admittance to proceed at areas of strength for all through the 10 years, as per Bridal Ferguson. The pace of progress in Tesla's FSD programming is probably going to speed up, making a huge offer to drive even as a high-level driver help framework as opposed to a full independence application. It is expected that the take rate for this product will increment to 20 in 2025 and 30 in 2030. It likewise appraises FSD incomes to be $16 billion in 2025 and $90 billion in 2030. Regarding Tesla's energy business, the report stated that megapack deployments are likely to be a significant driver of growth and profitability for the company. In addition, Tesla will continue to grow its Powerwall product. The firm also believes that Tesla's solar roof will continue to ramp, although the impact of Tesla Solar is likely to be a rounding error compared to its energy storage assumptions. The report also stated that Tesla's plan is to reach 3 TWh of battery capacity by 2030, with at least 1 TWh devoted to energy storage. It was noticed that increasing Tesla's car volumes by 50 every year requires selling costs to diminish to support the absolute addressable market, and the energy business will likewise have to lessen valuation to arrive at Tesla's tsla scale. Desires it accordingly accepted. Evaluating for stockpiling items will diminish by 8% each year after 2023, arriving at $270 for every quad by 2030. It further referred to the 35 for every core credit at the phone level, expressing that these credits from these phones alone will be valued at $4.5 billion yearly once Tesla arrives at 100 GWh scale, and there is little motivation to accept Tesla will quit smoking locally once the office is worked out, while referring to Tesla's interest in Viewpoint. The firm expressed that Tesla isn't the only one to think the energy stockpiling business sector is ready to go through hazardous development. It further expressed that it accepts industry watchers will keep on raising gauges for future interest, and the definitive champs will be the people who can rapidly increase limits. Then again, the report noticed that there are huge dangers related to Tesla's forceful slope, and it is conceivable that the automaker won't scale to the levels that it has accepted in its base case. It added that assuming that Tesla's energy stockpiling organizations just came to 300 GWh by 2030 and vehicle deals just arrived at 8 million units, with no expansion in FSD take rate cost, it predicts an offer worth of $159, and added that this figure might actually be even lower, assuming that the edge suppositions are overhauled, descending anyway. Generally, Ferguson anticipates that Tesla will proceed and should give energy to the executives programming and administrations to assist clients with improving the presentation of their solar-powered and energy capacity frameworks. The firm revealed that as it acquired certainty around Tesla's lithium mining or the utilization of sodium particle batteries, it would change gauges to give Tesla areas of strength for showing bridle. Ferguson's report likewise expressed that, given the distinction between its base case and Tesla's new offer cost, as well as the high potential gain return capability of the simulated intelligence bot situation, it actually rates Tesla as the most elevated conviction venture right now. What's your idea of the new report from Strap? Ferguson let us in on the remarks down below, and if you have any desire to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.